Player Power Peaks. www.cnh.com Player Power Peaks. The blame for the appointment of coaches for national cricket becoming a farcical and extended affair could well lie with player power that is driving Indian cricket now. Captain Virat Kohli asked for Ravi Shastri as head coach and the latter has had his way in getting Bharat Arun and Sanjay Bangar on board as full-time coaches. The legends of the game, like Sourav Ganguly, Sachin Tendulkar and VVS Laxman, who were on the committee to select the head coach, may have reason to feel slighted. Their recommendation of Rahul Dravida and Zahir Khan for consultant positions on batting and bowling is being accepted like an afterthought, to buy peace, rather than serve the principle that they are suitable. In fact, in terms of sheer work ethic and commitment to training and diligence, there is no equal of Dravid in Indian cricket. The support staff, who might occupy one full coach on four wheels or more on the ground, are in place. As the team embarks on new journeys after the disappointment of the Champions Trophy, its destiny is in its own hands as the choice of coaching personnel is that of the captain and head coach. There can be no room for excuses beyond the vagaries of the sport and its unpredictable play of fortunes on the field, particularly in the World Cup of 2019, the prime target of the team now. Player power may have been enhanced by the birth of the IPL and the fabulous salaries it pays, but at no time did it assume these proportions in which they are dictating everything. The BCCI may be in a bit of a hole thanks to its intransigence over administrative reforms. However, it appears it has handed over the game in its entirety to the players. Comments. Visit website. Mayawati's role can ease new alignments. www.cnh.com Mayawati's role can ease new alignments. Bahujan Samaj Party founder leader Mayawati is a leading light of North Indian politics by any yardstick, and is conspicuously the most important Dalit political figure of the country, with her influence among the Dalit community spread across India. For this reason alone, her resignation from the Rajya Sabha on Tuesday, following an outburst of anger when she was barracked by the Treasury benches for raising Dalit-related issues and for not being given the chance by the Deputy Chairman to complete her submission, although she had crossed the brief time limit, is an event of political significance as it is likely to affect political configurations in the foreseeable future. Miss Mayawati has twice been Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. The second time round, the BSP fought without alliances and won hands down. Her party does not have a single Lok Sabha MP today, but it gained more than 20% of the popular votes in 2014, despite the Modi wave. In the recent assembly election in UP, she did not garner many seats on account of first past the post system, and yet was well over 20% in vote share. Miss Mayawati had made an unseemly virtue of going it alone and shunning alliances, thinking such a strategy would always help her consolidate larger sections of public support. It is now evident that if she had been aligned with the other secular parties in UP, the phenomenon of the Modi wave would not have been recorded. Her party's electoral defeats twice over in quick succession, in 2014 and 2017, now appear to have produced a rethink on her part. From her statements, this was evident soon after the rout of the secular groups, BSP, Akhilesh faction of Samajwadi Party, and Congress, in the UP assembly poll. That's when the trio were obliged to reflect on the efficacy of the Bihar model, which routed the BJP in 2015. Since the ruckus in the upper house leading to Miss Mayawati storming out, Akhilesh Yadav's SP and the Congress have indicated support for her. From Bihar, Rashtriya Janata Dal's Lalu Prasad Yadav has signaled strong support. The BSP Supremo's Rajya Sabha term was ending in April next year. She has preempted that by dramatically quitting on an emotive issue in a bid to widen her support base. This could also help consolidate her hold on sections of Dalits who were being swayed by younger leaders who have been running movements of late, or by elements who had succumbed to the BJP's blandishments on election eve. Miss Mayawati's capacity to retain and enlarge her influence will naturally depend to a good extent on her meeting at least halfway the grouses of her in-house and sympathetic external critics. It will also be affected by her ability to link up with other parties, which can create hope of electoral dividend in the future. Comments. Visit website.